Good morning, children. This video is for class 2, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 4. And the name of the chapter is data handling. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are sums based on data handling and worksheets. Okay, so let's start. So here beta, important terms which I have already told you. Again, I am telling you. Number 1 is data. Facts or information gathered for a purpose is called a data. ओके बेटा, जो फैक्ट्स और इंफॉर्मेशन हम इकट्ठी करते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्पस के लिए, दैट आर कॉल्ड डेटा. एंड अ चार्ट, a page giving information about something for the period of a time is called a chart. Okay, beta, we will do question which is given on page number 38 in your book. So here this picture is given and here it is given, count the number of each fruit and color as many as boxes for each as shown. So here you can see there is a picture, okay, and here it is given favorite fruit. Okay, so these are the bananas, then apples, guavas and papayas. Okay, so here beta, here is a table. In this table we have to fill the fruits, okay, as many as it is given. Okay, so here we will fill bananas, then apple, then papayas and then guavas. Okay, so let's start from bananas. So here first we will count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 bananas, so we will fill 5 boxes for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we will count apples and we will fill. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples, so here we will fill 4 boxes. Okay, now the next one is papayas. So here how many papayas are there? There are only 2 papayas, so we will fill 2 boxes like this. Now we have to fill guavas. So let's count how many guavas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 guavas. So here we will fill 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood, beta? Now we will do questions based on this data. In A part, it is given what is the least popular fruit. So here beta, what do you mean by least popular fruit? Means जो fruit सबसे कम लोगों को पसंद है. Okay, so here we need to write the name of that fruit. So here these are 5 bananas, there are 4 apples and 6 guavas and 2 papayas. So which is the least popular fruit? That is papaya. Okay, because only 2% like papaya. Okay, so here we will write P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Now B part. It is given if we take 8 more guavas, how many total guavas will be there? So here beta, first of all we need to count the number of guavas given here, and here we have given 6 guavas, and if we take 8 more guavas means अगर हम 8 guavas और ले लें तो total कितने guavas हो जाएंगे? So here we need to add 6 plus 8. So first of all we will write 6 plus 8 and that is equal to 14. So here we will write 14. Understood, beta? C part. It is given how many apples are there in all. So here we need to count the number of apples, and here how many apples are there? 4. So here we will write 4. Okay. Now in D part, it is given how many more guavas are there than papayas. What do you mean by it, beta? How many means कितने? More guavas means guavas ज़्यादा हैं, are there than papayas. So here we need to comparison between guavas and papayas. So here there are 6 guavas and 2 papayas. So to find out the comparison means the difference, what we will do, we will subtract the given amount. Okay, so here 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Understood? Now beta, in E part it is given how many fewer papayas are there than apples. So here beta, it is given कि how many means कितने कम हैं papayas apples से. Okay, so there in this question we have to comparison between papayas and apples. So here there are 4 apples and 2 papayas. So we will subtract both. 4 minus 2. So here we will write 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Understood? Now in F part it is given how many fruits are there in all. How many fruits are there in all means we need to count the all fruits. So here bananas are 5, apples are 4, guavas are 6 and papayas are 2. So here we will add all these. Okay, so here we will write 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Now we will add 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So here we will write 17. Okay. Now beta we will do a project which is given on page number 39 in your book. So let's see what is given to us. Prepare a chart with the help of the following data. So here beta it is given in a class there are 12 children who walk to school. Okay, 8 children come by bicycle and 15 children use the school bus. Fill the given chart for this information. Make one smiley to represent each child. So what do you mean by it बेटा कि क्लास के अंदर जो 12 चिल्ड्रन हैं यानी 12 बच्चे वो पैदल चलकर आते हैं स्कूल, 8 चिल्ड्रन जो है वो बाइसिकल से आते हैं यानी साइकिल से एंड 15 चिल्ड्रन यूज द स्कूल बस और 15 चिल्ड्रन स्कूल बस से आते हैं. ओके, now we have to fill the given chart for this information. Okay, and we have to make one smiley to represent each child. मतलब एक child के लिए हमें one smiley बनानी है. Okay, so let's see here in this chart what is given to us. Here you can see this is a girl and she is walking to school. है ना, स्कूल जाने के लिए ये पैदल जा रही है. So now we have to make smileys. How many? 12, because 12 children who walk to school. Okay, so here we will make 12 smileys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay beta, so in this way we can represent one child for one smiley. Understood beta? Yes. By bicycle. So here 8 children are there. So here we will make 8 smileys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the next one is in school bus. So how many children use school bus? That are 15 children. So here we will draw or make 15 smileys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now the next one is observe the birthday chart given below. As there are 45 students in a class. Okay. The data related to their birthday falls in a particular month given. Okay, answer the following questions based on the given data. So here beta we have given this data. Here this is the birthday chart. Okay, here we have given the month's name January to December. Okay, and the birthday falls for the particular month. Okay, here the number of boys and here the number of girls, and here we have to write the total students. ठीक है बेटा, जनवरी मंथ में कितने बच्चों का बर्थडे आता है? 3 बॉयज का बर्थडे आता है और 3 गर्ल्स का आता है. एंड हियर वी विल राइट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो हियर इट इज गिवन 3 boys and 3 girls. So 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 students birthday falls in January month. So here we will write 6. Next in February month 2 plus 4, again 6, so here we will write 6. In March month, 0 plus 3, and that is equal to 3, so here we will write 3. Now in April month, 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Okay, and in May month, no student is there because dash is given, so here we will write dash or 0 you can write. Now in June month, 5 plus 2, 5 boys and 2 girls, so 5 plus 2 is 7, so here we will write 7. Now in July month, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Now in August month, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. In September month, no boy, no girl, means किसी का भी birthday नहीं आता है बेटा in September month में, okay? So here we will put dash. Now in October month, 2 plus 1, 3. So here we will write 3. And November month, 1 plus dash means 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And in December month, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So understood beta, this is the birthday chart of these 45 students. In 45 students का जो एक क्लास में है, उनका birthday chart given है. कितने boys का birthday particular month में होता है और कितनी girls का होता है. And here we have find out the total students whose birthday falls in that particular month. Okay, so here you can see in May month there is no birthday falls, ठीक है, and in also September month, ठीक है, September और May month में किसी का भी birthday नहीं होता है in 45 students में से. Okay, now we will give the answer of the following questions based on this given data. Okay, so here at the side we keep this chart. Okay, and here are the questions. Question number A part. In A part it is given in which month do maximum number of children have their birthday. So what do you mean by it beta? In which month means कौन से month में maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा number of children यानी बच्चों का birthday होता है. So here we will see the total number of students which is the maximum number, that is 7. So 7 students birthday falls in the month of June, and here we need to write the month name. So here we will write the answer June. In June month, maximum number of children have their birthday. Now B part, it is given name the months in which no birthday falls. Now beta we have to write the name of those months in which no birthday falls. उन months का हमने लिखना है जिसमें किसी का birthday नहीं होता है, and that are May month and September month. So here we will write the answer May and September. Okay. Now it is given name the months in which no girl has her birthday. Okay, means जिन months में किसी भी girl का birthday नहीं होता है. So here we will see May month किसी girl का birthday नहीं होता है, in September month also and in November month also. So there are 3 months. ठीक है, 3 months जो हैं इनमें किसी भी girl का birthday नहीं होता है. So here we need to write the month's name. So here we will write May, September and November. Understood? Now beta we will do worksheet which is given on page number 40. Okay, so here it is given Amit bought a weighing machine. He weighted his friends and made a chart. Read the data and answer the questions. So what do you mean by it beta? Amit bought a weighing machine. अमित ने एक weighing machine खरीदी जिससे हम वजन measure करते हैं, ठीक है. He weighted his friends, और उसने सभी का अपने जितने भी उसके फ्रेंड्स थे उन सबका वेट किया एंड मेड अ चार्ट, और एक चार्ट बनाया. नाउ वी हैव टू रीड द डेटा एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हियर वी विल सी द चार्ट. हियर इज द नेम ऑफ द हिज फ्रेंड्स, ओके, एंड वेट. सो हियर Ajay's weight is 30 kg. Rima's weight is 25 kg. Raj weight is 28 kg. Samir's weight is 32 kg and Saloni's weight is 30 kg. Now we have to give the answer of the following questions. So here in A part it is given who weighs the most. मीन्स किसका वजन सबसे ज्यादा है. Okay, so here we will see which is the larger, that is 32 kg. और 32 kg weight किसका है बेटा? समीर. So here we will write the name of Samir. Okay, Samir, Samir. Now in B part, it is given which two friends weigh the same. Means ऐसे कौन से two friends हैं जिनका weight बिल्कुल same है. So let's see here. 30 kg, 25 kg, 28 kg, 32 kg and 30 kg. So 30 kg and 30 kg both are same. So here we will write the name of those friends, that is Ajay and Saloni. So here we will write the name Ajay, Ajay, and Saloni, Saloni, Saloni. Okay. Now in C part, it is given who weighs the least. What do you mean by it, beta? Who means किसका वजन जो था, ठीक है, उस किसका वजन सबसे कम है. Who weighs the least? So here we need to find out the least number, and that is 25 kg. So whose weight is 25 kg? That is Rima's weight. So here we will write the answer Rima. Okay, now in D part, it is given what is the difference between Samir's and Rima's weight. So beta, to find out the difference we need to subtract the given numbers. Okay, so here you can see Samir's weight is 32 kg and Rima's weight is 25 kg. So here we will subtract these both numbers. Okay, so here we will write that 32 minus 25. So 32 minus 25 is equal to 7. So the difference between the Samir's and Rima's weight is 7 kg. Okay. Now today's homework beta, do assignment number 1 of chapter number 4 given on EdQuark website. Okay. Now beta, we will do homework solution of lecture number 1. Okay. So I had given you some based on my values. So let's see what is given to us on page number 36. It is given John takes the following food materials. Okay. John जो है वो ये following food material लेता है. So here it is given energy giving food. So there are 2 energy giving foods. Okay. And bodybuilding food. There are 5 bodybuilding foods and protective food. 3 protective foods are there. ठीक है. So बेटा, what do you mean by energy giving food? वो food जो हमें energy देता है. And bodybuilding food जिससे हमारी बॉडी मसल्स बनती हैं, बॉडी डेवलप होती है, ग्रो करती है हमारी बॉडी. ओके. एंड प्रोटेक्टिव फूड जो हमें डिसीजेस से बचाता है. ओके. सो नाउ वी हैव टू गिव द आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सो हियर इट इज गिवन इन ए पार्ट, हाउ मेनी एनर्जी गिविंग आइटम्स डज जोन ईट. एनर्जी गिविंग आइटम्स जो है जोन कितने खाता है. तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे इन एनर्जी गिविंग फूड देयर आर ओनली 2 items. So here we will write 2. Okay. Now the next one, B part, it is given how many bodybuilding food items does John eat. So here bodybuilding food. So let's count bodybuilding food 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 bodybuilding food is there. So here we will write 5. Now in it is given how many different fruits does John eat. So here beta, we need to count the number of fruits only. Okay. So let's see how many fruits are there. One this, okay, pineapple. Then there is no fruit. Now here mango is there, and then guava is there, and then orange is there. So how many fruits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 fruits, different fruits that John eats. Okay. Thank you.